Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2001 Toyota Estima. It comes with 35,923 miles. It is powered by the reliable 3.0 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This is a factory right-hand drive vehicle. It comes with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle, starting with the driver's side door. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash right here. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. The lights also do go away. All right, if you take a look over here, 57,812. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 35,923. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thank you for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any of y'all's questions. Thank you guys so much. We truly appreciate y'all. Have a blessed and safe